Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to hide your Tinder profile. Alright, let's begin. If you don't want others to see your Tinder profile for a while but don't want to delete your account, then hiding your profile is the best option. So, in order to hide your Tinder profile, first of all, open the Tinder app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Once you're on the home page, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. From here, go to the Settings menu to access your account preferences. Now scroll down until you find the section labeled Discovery Settings. In this section, you will see an option that says Enable Discovery. By default, this option is turned on, which means other users can see your profile when swiping. Simply toggle this option off and your profile will no longer appear in the card stack for others. However, keep in mind that even if your profile is hidden, you can still chat with your existing matches and reply to their messages. This feature is particularly useful if you want to take a break from swiping, but don't want to lose the connections you've already made. If you decide to come back and want your profile to appear again, just go back to the same setting and turn Show Me on Tinder back on. And that's it. So that's basically how you can hide your Tinder profile. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.